Hi, welcome back to my channel, Style for Life. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I'm going to speak to you a little bit about my Longchamp repair experience. I have two Longchamp bags that had little pin-sized holes in the corners, and I just did not know what to do because I love these bags so much. They're great for travel, great for work, and I love these two colors so much. I just didn't want to toss them out. So I was watching YouTube one evening, and I came across a heated mess, Cindy, and she said that she had this video about Longchamp repair, and I was just like, this can't be at a better time. I can't believe how fortunate I am to come across her channel while she's speaking about this Longchamp repair. I was thinking, how am I going to get my Longchamp bags repaired? And she said on her channel, I'm paraphrasing, that, once you have a Longchamp bag, you can call up customer service and they will fix your bag complimentary. I was so happy because I was on the phone with my friend Becky, and I forgot to remind her that she's a seamstress. Well, she does it on the side. And I was going to ask her if she doesn't mind, like cinching in my Longchamp bags because I don't want to throw them away, when I came across Cindy's channel talking about the Longchamp repair. So I called up the customer service and they said, we're going to send you a form. You fill it out with your name and the serial number and everything, and then mail in the Longchamp bags and we will send it back to you complimentary. In other words, you mail it in and we will ship it back to you complimentary. Well, first of all, I didn't even know that Longchamp bags came with a serial number. I had no idea. So each Longchamp bags have a serial number in it, and I'm going to show you where it is in just a moment. So I called, I filled out the information, and they sent it back to me. I was so very happy. It took about maybe 4 weeks. So these are the two bags that I had. These two beautiful bags, one in this beautiful pink color and the other in this color, I think it was called Cornflower, on the Nordstrom website. So let me show you where you can find the serial number, because you will need the serial number to put on the form, right? The serial number is found in the seam of the bag, which is located right here on this plastic tag. You will find the serial number. Now mine had rubbed off a little bit because I've had this bag 6 years or so, but I had enough numbers on there where they probably could tell that it was indeed authentic. So you may want to, when you buy your Longchamp bags, or if you have a Longchamp bag, to take a picture on your phone or write this number down in your agenda so you won't lose it. And it's in every Longchamp bag. So once I filled out the form, I included the serial number, I received my bags back, and I will show you the corners. If you have a Longchamp bag, this is probably going to happen at some point because the corners are a little bit, how can I say, pointy, and so these corners had little pin-sized hole in them. So now I got them back. They're perfect, and the other side, I'll show you, is absolutely perfect. No pin-sized hole in them whatsoever. They were able to fix them. And then I will show you the beautiful cornflower color, which I absolutely love. It's such a beautiful color. So here is this corner right here, and here is the other corners. You can see, as I said, it's a little pointy. So, if it hits anything, it will rub against something over a period of time, and you may get a little pin-sized hole or larger, and you don't want that. So now you know that you can send in your bags and get it complimentary repaired. I am so very thrilled to have that. And I'll show you how the form is. Let me just cover my information. So the form will look like this, and this says 1 of 2, and then the other side will say 2 of 2. So that's how it will look. And you just fill out the form and then they send it back. Currently, I bought this one for my birthday. This is the lovely black with the tan leather trimming. I think it's so beautiful, very, very nice, very, how can I put it, sophisticated. The color, it could go with everything, like what I'm wearing today. It's really, really nice. I love it. And I bought these beautiful, fun colors to take on vacation because I thought the colors were just so beautiful. I love these two colors, and I always take, you know, these on vacation with me. So to showing you my other collection, I think that we'll do the same for the cosmetic case. So this is my cosmetic case, and the corners here are fine. And then I have the red one, which I'm currently using in my black LePilage, large LePilage, along with the matching coin purse. So I am using these two right now in my black LePilage large tote. I think that is so beautiful. And then I have this blue one right here. I think I bought this one to kind of blend with the cornflower color. And the corners on this is also intact. And a few years ago, I was watching Wendy Loving Life, and I saw that she had unboxed this one. This is in, I don't want to know what kind of leather this is, but it's very buttery soft. But here is the Longchamp cosmetic case, and this is in the supple leather with silver hardware. I'm not sure if this is still available on the website, but it's absolutely lovely. And on this one, here is the serial number. You will find it right underneath the tab. You will find the serial number right there. So if anything should happen to this one in terms of the corners, they will repair it for free, or complimentary, I should say. And here you go with the coin purse to match. So this is the coin purse to match the beautiful cosmetic case in this beautiful pink color. Absolutely beautiful. So this is my Longchamp collection in terms of the cosmetic case and coin purses. And then I have my Longchamp LePilage totes that I just showed you, and I'm so happy. I hope this video was useful or helpful to someone out there who have the Longchamp bag, and I know that most of my YouTube friends, you all have the Longchamp LePilage large tote, and so now you know that they will fix it for you complimentary, and you can send it in. Just remember to write down that serial number, and they will definitely fix your bag complimentary. Okay, I hope this was very useful to you, because I was so happy that now I have my bags back. Oops, they fell, and they look absolutely brand new. Let me see if I can show you again this beautiful color. I'm so happy to have them back in my collection, and they're in excellent condition, and I'm so happy. And the young lady that helped me on the phone, she was absolutely so polite, so helpful, and, you know, let me know what was happening every step of the way. So yeah, this is my short video. Again, thank you so much for joining me today. God bless you and have a good one. Bye-bye.